Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Nissan GTR Nismo and this is by Siku. And okay, let's get to it. Let's just unbox it. So maybe by right now you guys might have understood that where I bought this cars. And if you guys didn't, just go back to my previous videos and watch it. So because I don't want to waste time saying the same thing over and over again. Okay, so here is the casting itself. So the one sad thing about this casting is this doesn't have any openable part. I was really hoping that. So, but apart from that, out of the box, the casting looks really nice. Okay, it has some paint bubbling here. Let me just focus on it. You can see, next to the handle, or I mean before the handle. So it has headlight details which is painted on, and hood detail also. It is a little bit, like casting, and on top of that they painted it, but it is not exactly whole. You can see the grill details here, logo placement is really nice. So I really wish they could have done better with this casting, because given the size of this castings are a bit big, I really wish they could have given actual holes here, and some kind of acrylic inserts here. So it has tail light detail as well, but at least whatever details they have given, those are really crisp and clear instead of here and there like Hot Wheels. It has good interior detailing to it. Let me see if I can able to show that clearly. I don't see any scratches on the windshield, both front and back, maybe in the back a little bit. So the body is fully metal, the spoiler is plastic. Yeah, spoiler is plastic, and the chassis is plastic. Tires are rubber. You can see the chassis detailing here a little bit, they're having at least. So, and it has this car specification here, which is really awesome. I really love that about Siku. I will tell it every time. Okay, that looks really gorgeous. Okay, let's weigh this casting. Okay, 43 grams, not bad. Okay, let's see if this fits the track. It fits exactly. I know it is not going to roll. Okay, so let's do a roll test here. Okay, so being this is a mat, it increases the friction on the car. So the front wheel wobbles a lot. Rear wheel not so much, but front wheel wobbles. Yeah, front wheel wobbles. But overall, it's a nice casting even compared to, see, Bubrago is putting out a lot of castings, but like you saw in my older video, I mean a week back, that videos, those are right now Bubrago is under Maisto, so a lot of casting they are pushing out directly with Maisto's name itself. So I recently came to know about that. So it has a little bit of exhaust detailing to it as well. It looks good. Overall, it's a decent casting. I mean, it's not too much, but it's a decent casting. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.